Hey everyone, this is Sitara at Ring, and I'm here to answer the question of what indoor cams Ring offers. So we have some great stick-up cams and our indoor cam. So let's get into it. Our first camera is our stick-up cam plug-in. It comes with both convenient adapters for both outdoor and indoor. And if you want backup power, you can add one of our quick release batteries. That way, if you lose power, you always have a backup. Also, you can easily mount it or put it on a flat surface like a tabletop or a bookshelf. Our stick-up cam battery is very convenient. All you have to do is use one of our quick release batteries and set it wherever you would like. You can put it on a flat surface, you can mount it, and you can move it around wherever you want to record. I personally really like to use it for my other home security system, my dog Jasmine. Speaking of Jasmine, let's take a cute animal break and check out my Jazzy cam. As you can see, she's hard at work. Our stick-up cam solar is our battery-powered device with an additional solar panel to keep your device charged. To attach, you remove the tab and you insert like such, and now they're connected. We do recommend that you put your solar panel with lots of direct sunlight. The stick-up cam Elite is a great option if you have a PoE or a power over Ethernet connection. So you have continuous internet connectivity and power. So to utilize, you move this very nifty swivel, open the back, plug in your Ethernet cord, and then plug in the other to our adapter. Then you plug another Ethernet cord into your internet modem, your Ethernet hub, or your Ethernet switch. Our next camera is our indoor cam, Ring's first indoor-only camera. It has a plug-in adapter that can go into any standard wall unit, and it's small but mighty. It has all the same functionality as our stick-up cams, and I think it's adorable. It's very convenient. It can sit on any tabletop or flat surface, or you can mount it. Also, as you can see, there's a little blue light that's a recording indicator. So with your privacy in mind, you can choose when you want this device to be recording or not. In order to turn off your recording, you turn off the record motion, confirm, and now your device will not record the next motion. So it's currently not recording motion, you shouldn't get any motion alerts. To turn your recordings back on, you turn record motion back on, and now you should get an alert next time motion is triggered and a recording. Tap, high view. Thanks for tuning in. I hope that answers all of your questions on what indoor cams Ring offers. If you have any other questions, just drop it in the comments and we'll try to get to it in the next episode of Ask Ring. See you guys next time.